Dog Mom Neon Gradient Nail Art? Keep watching, I'll show you. There's a lot of polishes to this mani, so instead of listing them all, I'll have them all in the description below. I don't know what being a dog mom is like for you, or if you even are a dog mom, but for me, it's part of my identity. I decided to go with neons for this mani because I'm really loud and proud about being a dog mom. I don't have any kids of my own yet, and I know kids and dogs aren't the same, but I don't know the difference yet, so I just treat them like they are my kids. When I think dog mom, I don't just think paws and leashes, so I incorporated a couple other things into this mani, but you'll see. I've already suited up with the base coat, so I'm ready for these neons. If you're looking for a good set of neons, Orly's are amazing. The brush is my favorite out of any brand of polish, and the formula is to die for. I do end up putting 3 coats of polish, but most of these were just fine with 2. I could have left my nails just like this and died happy. Which neon is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Off camera, I add a top coat and my liquid latex, so I'm ready to stamp. For my purple nail, I'm using the continuous dog image. And to create the gradient, I'm treating the plate just like a makeup wedge by dotting on the polish. When I swipe, you'll see that I only swipe once or twice so that the polishes don't muddle together and create a new color. Rather, they do create a gradient. Now that you get the gist, let's speed it up. Watch me mess up in 3, 2, 1. Did you see what I just did? Luckily, I can just stamp right over it. Off camera, I apply my Maniology smudge-free top coat so I don't mess up what I just stamped. So here, I'm applying my regular top coat to give it that glossy finish. And here's the finished, glossy look. But I wasn't satisfied yet. I wanted to see what this look looked like matte. So here it is. What do you think? Tell me in the comments which look you like best. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps me grow. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.